All right, fellas, gather around. We gotta talk about these women who out here acting like the economy owes them a man. Like, baby, you not looking for a man. You looking for a loan. Every time you text, what you doing? It's really short for where's your debit card. It's begging season out here, y'all. These women will hit you with that I miss you text at 2 a.m. Nah, baby, you don't miss him. You missed that Zelle notification. And we not even gonna get started on the ones who always screaming. A real man will help a woman out. First off, ma'am, he just met you a week ago in Walmart using your EBT card. You're out here treating relationships like GoFundMes. You don't want a man. You want a benefactor. You ain't looking for a partnership. You looking for a sponsorship. Like, sis, if you asking a man to pay your bills and you don't even fold your own clothes, then maybe your next prayer need to start with, Lord, fix my priorities before I try to fix a man's pocket. And the cold part, soon as he say no, y'all asses on Facebook talk about these niggas is broke. Nah, baby, he just not paying your rent for 30 days of drama and a plate of air fried chicken. Let's get into it. What's poppin' peeps? I'm Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet. For those of you who don't know, I speak about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is EDS, Everyday Situations, Motivation with a Twist of Comedy. I don't know which one of my women's cousins this is for, but sis, just because you fry a few pieces of pork chops and suck a little dick does not make you wifey material. That just makes you a short order cook with a strong jawline, baby. Y'all on Facebook talking about, I'm a queen, I deserve a king. But the only crown you wearing is that lace front leaning to the side like it's tired of your life. Y'all don't want to build a kingdom. Y'all want to build your cash app. Every time I log on, y'all twerking the gospel songs and shit. Like, sis, why is your ass clapping to take me to the king? You gonna take yourself straight to hell if you don't go sit down somewhere. All y'all bitches know how to do is shake y'all ass. How about you go read a book? Can you mop? In the hands, Lord. They look like collection plates, always out. Y'all don't want to love no man. Y'all want to invoice one. Just because you frying chicken in your man's air fryer, don't mean you a wife. And baby, stop acting like pussy is a form of currency. Coochie don't come with a W-2. You can't cash that at the bank, sweetie. This ain't OnlyFans financial. Y'all so focused on BBLs and bundles, but your kid's hair look like tumbleweed. Your priorities built like your edges, thin and confused. Then y'all here hollering, where the real men at? Baby, the real men hiding from you. Cause ain't no real man wanna build with somebody who think being a woman means twerking to every TikTok trend. You can't spell loyal, but you can spell Louis Vuitton. And fellas, let's be honest. Some of y'all be out here entertaining these broads cause they're easy access, not quality connection. Then you get mad when your peace of mind smell like lace front glue and Hennessy. These new chicks don't want love. They want luxury. They want Dior, not devotion. They want dates, not discipline. They want to be spoiled, but can't even boil water. But let me tell you something, baby. A real woman don't need to chase money. She attracts it. A real woman don't beg a man to lead. She becomes so grounded that a real man wants to step up. Ladies, you can't twerk your way into peace, baby. You can't cry your way into class. And you damn sure can't fake femininity with a filter. It's time to bring back substance, not selfies. Bring back softness, not these no-limit soldiers. Some of y'all going to hell for fucking on that lady husband. And what's even worse, these new chicks is lazy as fuck. They don't want to grind. They want to go viral, idolizing these relationships on social media. Like they getting a check for scroll. They see a celebrity get flown out or get a new car or get a new piece of jewelry and start thinking that every man's supposed to come with a penthouse and a passport. Baby, he work at Amazon, not Abu Dhabi. Be serious. Have some dignity about yourself, sis. Stop stressing over these niggas and go get you some money. Cause broke and cute ain't a personality trait, boo. I'ma be the one to say it. Some of these chicks out here is trifling. House look like a crime scene. Kids look like they've been raising theyself. But they on a gram talking about soft girl life. Baby, the only thing soft in your house is them noodles you left on the stove. You twerking in the living room, but the floor's sticky. Out here begging men for money like it's a full-time job. And that fake flexing, child please. Them shoes you posting ain't even yours. That's your homegirl size 9 squeezed on your 11 size feet. Take care of them babies and clean up your house. And stop acting like the internet owes you a lifestyle that you ain't worked for. You know what I noticed? Bitches with no cars stay in drama. Like, how the fuck you even get over there? See, baby, a real man don't want no tequila drinking, lemon pepper wing eating, no lemon soldier full of lies. They want a woman who knows how to take care of home, who knows how to stand on business, and still be soft when it's time to. You can't scream you want a king when you out here acting like a Jezebel. Cause a real man gonna love a woman who brings peace, not problems. And baby, if you can't do that, then sit this one out and let a grown woman work. Now close them cash apps. Put your ass away. Fix them baby hairs and remember, your favorite cousin Luck said, if you want to be treated like a queen, then you gotta stop acting like a contestant on Love and Hip Hop Section 8 edition. And if you felt offended by anything I just said, good. That means it hit where it needed to. Now go work on yourself, baby. Not another post, not another excuse, but yourself.